Sora was officially introduced by OpenAI in February 2024, and ever since it has taken the internet by storm. With the power to generate high-quality videos from text prompts, from filmmakers and educators to marketers and influencers, everyone is talking about it. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through what Sora can do, starting with image creation, moving on to video generation, and finally, we'll compare how it outperforms other AI tools in its league. Let's dive in. While Sora is primarily known for video, it also supports highly detailed photo and image generation, similar to tools like DALL-E. To create an image in Sora, you simply enter a hum-I text prompt describing what you want to see. For example, a golden retriever sitting on a beach at sunset, high-quality cinematic lighting. Sora processes this text and generates a stunning photorealistic image in just a few seconds. It understands depth, lighting, object positioning, even artistic styles. You can also refine your image by editing parts of it or changing the prompt. This means you're not limited. You can build an entire visual concept piece by piece. Whether you're designing characters, environments, or concept art, Sora's image creation is fast, intuitive, and stunningly realistic. Now, let's talk about what makes Sora truly special: video generation. Sora can take a text description such as home and turn it into a realistic moving video, and with scenes that can last up to some 60 seconds and or more. Let's say you type a busy street in Tokyo during the rain, neon lights reflecting off the wet ground, cinematic angle. Sora will create a full motion video that looks almost like it was filmed in real life. It understands motion, timing, physics, even camera angles and transitions. Need a slow motion effect? Just describe it. Want to zoom in on a face or pan across a mountain? Just include that in your prompt. Sora can also simulate different filming styles, whether you want a handheld, documentary style feel or a smooth, drone-like shot. And the best part? You don't need any camera, actors, or editing software. It's all generated by AI. Sora is perfect for marketing videos, short films, educational clips, product demos, and even music videos. You can preview, edit, and export all in one place. Sora Benefits, video length and quality. Most AI video generators can only create a few seconds of blurry footage. Sora delivers now full 60-second HD videos that feel cinematic, scene understanding. Unlike others, Sora truly understands what you describe. It captures emotions, movement, and even weather effects with accuracy. One-click simplicity. No need for professional tools or technical knowledge. Just type your idea and Sora brings it to life. Powered by OpenAI, the same team behind ChatGPT and DALL-E, with world-class safety, innovation, and updates. Multimodal flexibility, all in one platform. In short, Sora isn't just an AI tool, it's a full creative studio in your hands. Thanks for watching this Sora AI tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Augusta Vision for more tutorials on the future of AI creativity. Now it's your turn. Go create something amazing with Sora.